This is not Profane, and today I want to do a little unboxing for you. I just received my package from Novation. It's the brand new Launchpad, the latest version available on the market. And I also got the Impulse 49. Thank you Novation for the package. And yeah, let's start. So, it's very small. I thought it's bigger, but let's see how big it really is. So, there you go. It's really small. Like I said, it's a brand new Launchpad S version, so it's the latest version available on the market. Yeah, and this is how it looks. Yeah, just comes with a manual how to install the Launchpad and stuff. Where's the cable? And the USB cable here. So yeah, feels really solid. Touchpads, like I said, it's the latest version that's out there by Novation. Oh, I can't wait to use that bad boy. I will use it in Logic with Logic, so yeah. It smells brand new.
There are just a few moments when you lose all your mind. No more thoughts in this love light are shining through.